welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be doing the Glenfarclas 18 years. This is a 1 liter bottle, usually reserved for the travel edition in airports or duty-free places, but you can find this anywhere online, so don't worry about it. This is a 43%. It's in a sherry cask. Glenfarclas is one of the last family-owned company in Scotland. The prices are pretty fair because they don't have to deal with a multinational corporation. Also, they don't do a lot of publicity, unlike Macallan, which you will pay 20% more for a bottle, not because it's better, but because you have to pay for their publicity budget. Glenfarclas is one of my favorite brands. I drink a lot of it because I just think it's good quality for the price. Let's pour and see what happens. There you go, pour a big one. The color is a very, very light. This is a chilled filtration, so they add a little bit of color. Basically, the color you see is the color they wanted. It's not the color it came out as. Smells fantastic. There's a lot of toffee, a lot of caramel in this. You can smell the grapes from the sherry cask. It's kind of floral as well. At 43%, the alcohol is quite mild on the nose. Let's try it. Wow. It's very surprising for this bottle. A lot of cream, a lot of oil. It brought water to my mouth. It's quite fantastic, actually. I liked it very, very much. How much did I pay for this? I think I paid, what, about $50 for this. It's 1 liter. I think it's a very good value. And listen, it was super veloute. It was super creamy. I like butter, like a buttercream, like butterscotch. It's quite sweet as well. Golden apple, super refreshing. This is most definitely a beach whiskey. I think this bottle is kind of dangerous because I think I can drink it all without any issues. There's zero smoke in there, zero peat. I think it's a great bottle for beginners, especially at $50. I think you pour this on the table, people never drank single malt. They're gonna ask you, like, is this really single malt? And you go like, yeah. It's a little bit on the dry wine side. It's a funny thing. On the finish, it's dry, but when you drink it, it's oily. So it's dry like a sparkling wine on the finish. Yeah, it's quite nice. It's super relaxed. Actually, it makes me happy, unlike when I drink something very smoky, where the end of the world is coming nearby in the background there. And I go, oh, the end of the world. You'll see when it's sunny behind me, I'll make a happy whiskey review. When it's rainy or there's a hurricane or a typhoon, I'll make a smoky review. It's super light. I really enjoy this. Some honey. Like really like golden apple. On the finish, you can taste the oak, the cask, the wine, and the dryness of it. Here, let's try something. Car, come here. I'll bring one of my girls in to try it with me. There you go, give me a second, she's coming over. There you go. You can take off your mask, it's fine. And you gotta look at the camera too. There you go. Nice, there you go. So, like I said before, it's very, very light, and I really like it. It's crisp at the same time. The 18 is really like 18, unlike some, maybe I know I had some problem with the Dalmore 18. I didn't think it was the best casking for it. Unlike this, it's very light and very easy to drink. I really enjoy this. Listen, guys, do yourself a favor. For $50, you can't really get better than this. Yeah. I drink this at a poker game. The problem is that with your friends at a poker game, you're probably going to drink this very, very fast. And tomorrow, you're going to have a major headache for sure. Yeah, you smell the oak after a while, the sherry oak. Yeah, it's a little bit lighter now either. I wouldn't put any water in there. Probably you could do some ice if you wanted to, but I don't think it needs to because it's already very refreshing, so there is no need for ice in it. More honey. Yeah, so anyway, check it out. I have other bottles of Glenfarclas. We did a 25 review already. I think I have a bottle of 21, I have a bottle of 8. I'm gonna do the 8 because it's very interesting to see where whiskey comes from. Instead of doing an NAS with mixing stuff, Glenfarclas just decided we'll do a 105, 8 years, and just give it to the people. And you know, they know what they're giving you and you know what you're getting. Unlike when you get some NAS, sometimes you don't know what it is and it's the worst garbage in the world. Sometimes great NAS too. I have great NAS bottles here, but I'm not a big fan of NAS. So anyway, you guys check it out. If you have a comment, just leave it down there. If you don't, then don't leave one. See you later. Bye-bye.